Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video we will be looking at chemistry class 8 goal 8 dipole moment assignment with chemistry techno. So let's begin with it. So today, as you all know, we are going to discuss goal 8 assignment bits of in that. Firstly, assignment, there is only assignment bits and this goal is all related to dipole moment. First question, the unit of dipole moment is, it is WA, option D. Next question is 1 WA is equal to what? So that is option B, 3.33564 into 10 to the power 30 centimeter. That is option B. Next, third question. The chemical bond formed between two atoms due to unequal sharing of electrons is, what is it? It is polar covalent bond. So I'll give you one example for non-polar covalent bond. Okay. Now when you have HCl, what is happening here? H, and H is having only one dot structure, as you all know. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 7 dots because the valence is 7, right? So this, there is a equal distribution, right? H is getting to whatever it needs, H is getting, and even Cl needs to, it is also getting. So this is called as a non-polar covalent bond. Okay, whereas here we were discussing about the polar covalent bond. Clear? Next, fourth bit, dipole moment. Dipole moment can be represented as mu. In the introduction you can just find it out, just read it and have a look. Okay, and what is the formula for that? In the introduction there is a point, dipole moment mu is equal to the charge is represented with q into the distance of separation, that is r. So mu is equal to q into r. Now where do you find this option? Obviously it is option C. Clear? Next, moving on. Fifth bit is BeF2 has zero dipole moment, whereas H2O has a dipole moment because water is bent. That's why BeF2, there is no dipole moment, whereas H2O is having dipole moment because water is being bent. Next page. Let's look at that next page. Sorry. Now we are looking at the sixth question, as you can see on your screens. Among the following, the molecule which is having highest dipole moment. So obviously CHCl3, that is the option. It is only going to have the highest dipole moment, as you can see here. Next, the compound with no dipole moment is, in carbon tetrachloride there is no dipole moment. So you have to check with all the options with this and this, then you will be able to find one of the option, because these questions are like MCQ with only one correct answer type. So that is why only one correct answer would be present, that is option B. Now second bit, we are going to see MCQ questions which will be having more than one correct answer type questions. Fine. Among the following, molecule with mu is equal to 0, as I have already told you, mu is nothing but dipole moment, right? So here they are asking which molecule is having dipole moment as 0. So as I have told, it is multiple type answer question, like many answers could be present. So first is BF3. BF3 is having no dipole moment. CH4 is also not having, and even O2 is also not having any dipole moment. So B, C, D are the right answers for the question, right? Next we will be looking at the matching and then followed by passage type questions. First, in the A column you can see the different types of molecules, and in the B column you are able to see their geometry. So how do they look is the question. Now when there is a molecule AX, that is, it is not having any molecule like this, 2 or 3, not specified. It is only AX. Whereas mu is not equal to 0 condition, it is there for each and every molecule. Okay, so just no need to repeat it again and again, right? Now AX, what is the shape of this? So obviously its shape would be linear because it is single, right? AX only one means it is linear. Next AX2, it would be bent. Second one would be bent, second degree. And third one AX3 will be trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal, 3 is there, tri is there, so you can understand by that easily. So trigonal and pyramidal. Next is fourth one, that is D, AX4, where mu is not equal to 0. This is very simple. All the options are being covered and the last one would be left out, right? That is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. So which is the correct answer? It is obviously option C is the right answer. Now we will be looking at the passage type of questions, whereas you have to read this passage in order to understand the questions. So let's read the passage. As a result of polarization, the molecule possesses dipole moment, which can be defined as the product of magnitude of charge, that is nothing but Q. So what they are telling is dipole moment is the product of magnitude of charge. Charge can be represented by Q. Mu is equal to Q into, and the product of magnitude of charge and the distance between the centers of positive and negative charges. That is the distance separated by it, right? That is represented by R. So mu is equal to Q into R. This is the passage. Now they have given the formulas also, as I have already written on the screen. And dipole moment, it is expressed in Debye units. Already first question only was that, right? Now let's look at the passage type of questions. Okay, first question is dipole moment can be represented by which letter, which figure? Dipole moment will be represented like this. In the introduction, if you see, that would be very simple. Now this, why it is not, because for chemical equations we use this, and this straight line we don't generally use, and this dotted line we use it for some other cause. So only this arrow mark with a line on it is represented for a dipole moment. Understood? Next, 11th one is bond length in polar molecule is equal to. Now they are asking the bond length in polar molecule. Now see this formula once. I will just show this formula. Sorry, this formula. Now they are asking bond length in the sense what you are going to do. They are asking the distance of separation. Bond length is nothing but, right? Now when there are two molecules, the distance from the centers is called as distance of separation. That is also called as the bond length, right? How much the distance between those particular bonds is bond length only. So that is distance of separation. Now they are asking how to find out the bond length in a polar molecule. Now that distance of separation, or else we are going to consider it as bond length. Now when dipole moment is equal to charge into distance of separation, that is bond length. When you want to find out the bond length, what we are going to do, send that charge to LHS. That means it is going to be division. Now dipole moment divided by charge. Here moment is also there. Okay. So now which is the correct answer? Obviously B, dipole moment. Here spelling error. Dipole moment divided by charge. Next, 12th and the last question. Which of the following has high dipole moment? The highest dipole moment is there on HI, that is hydrogen iodide, HI. So with this we have completed our goal 8. I hope you all understood this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So bye bye.